Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make original sound on TikTok. So simply at first open your TikTok, click on the profile. So I'm just make audio from my video. So at first I'm make a video add song using CapCut. Click on to plus option and click on at first time add video from my gallery. So like I'm select this video, press on next. Okay, and select everyone can view this post, make sure to private, only me. Click on to post. Okay, in the first step done, click on to profile again. Second step, click on to lock option. I recently post this video but it's private, so open and click on this profile option, then showing it to original sound. Okay, now it's created original sound. So if you want to rename this, and just rename this song, my song, and use sound. Okay, now it's added, and now I make reels, record video, stop, right mark, next, and I'm post. Just press on to post. So that's how you can easily make original sound on